Hello everybody, I'm Jonathan Ferry, VP of Product Education and Experience at KeyDigital. We're here at ISE 2024 in Barcelona to introduce you to KD-WP8-2, our 8-button IP control keypad that controls devices over the network, receives its power over PoE, and also includes one IR and one RS-232 port for controlling devices in your huddle spaces, conference rooms, classrooms, houses of worship, and more. The possibilities truly are endless with this product. We see here our demonstration key KD-WP8-2 has been programmed to control our monitor, sending a command over IP, RS-232, or IR is easy. In fact, each button can be programmed to include up to 20 commands and events on a single button press, including toggling button LED status. For example, if we were to switch or turn on and off the system, you can have button toggle events, press and hold events, press and release events, and more. We also have an open API, making it very easy to integrate KD-WP8-2 into popular partner control systems such as QSys, thanks to their QSys certified plugin available through QSys Designer software. Or if you're going to program KD-WP8-2 yourself, you can use our web UI. Simply type in the IP address of the keypad into your web browser, enter the admin password, and we see a very easy step-by-step process for setting each button settings, programming the events, exporting the project into the keypad, or even exporting a file load, making your next installations simply a matter of importing the project and loading to the keypad for those cookie cutter systems, saving you a lot of time, making it a real easy product to work with. And in fact, because it is, such a digital interface, we even have a user virtual keypad where I can control the keypad, and we see the two-way nature of this. Perfect for those applications where you may have forgotten to turn off the projector in your room. You could enter this password protected page. One last great feature of WP8-2 before I leave you is that you could even set a 2-button press combo to lock and unlock the keypad, making it perfect for classroom installations, ensuring that no unwanted control takes place of your system. So of course, for more information, to head to keydigital.com to check out KD-WP8-2. KeyDigital's KD 4K WHCEX wireless 4K HDMI extender set includes a transmitter and receiver, extends 4K with HDR signals up to 100 feet in environments with walls and ceilings, or up to 150 feet in optimal environments without 5G Wi-Fi noise, walls, and ceilings. It's the perfect product for extending HDMI signals in spaces like presentation and live events, or perhaps even in your backyard to watch a movie with guests and loved ones. KD 4K WHCEX also extends IR, so you can control your video source device with the remote, comfortably pointing it at the display or monitor as it is received by the receiver and output on the transmitter. It is one directional. On the transmit unit, there is an HDMI pass-through port. So that source, like a cable box that you want to connect into your wireless extender set, can maintain connectivity into its local display, meanwhile still feed your wireless transmitter to go to your display projector, perhaps even an inflatable projector by the pool, up to 150 feet away. For more information, go to keydigital.com and search KD 4K WHCEX.